Jump ball. Out of bounds. Black ball. Possession 17. Pass to Diaz, pass to Tamon. Pass to 17. 4-2. Good. Grabe. Epekto ng alak. Binasa kay Pacifica. Escorial. Luis. Error. Nice try. Valderrama. Out ng bola, Quinto. Diaz, 4-3. No good. Rebound by Escorial. Inside. Driving inside. Nice turnaround. No good. Diaz has the ball. Pushing through. Valderrama, 4-2. 2 points. 4-point lead. Bosco. Gina. Ganda ng defense ng Oslo. 5, 4, 3, 2. Shot clock violation. That's my number 6. Denver. Number 4. Valderrama for 3. No good. Dalawa. Pacifica. Nice fake. Foul. Denver. Diver. Kahapon diver. Hindi ko mapasag nito. Diver. Magaling sumisid. 14, pinasa kay Escorial. Pinasa kay Gila. Lahat ng moves dito. 2 points. Wow. Nahilo. Diaz. Masuk ke gitna. No good. Rebound pada Sabitin. No good. Nice undot pada number 6. 14. Nice drive pero nice. 2 points. 4-4 and score. Alright. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5. Paso. 2 points by Valderrama. Number 5, pinasa sa gilid. For 2, no good, error. Valderrama, rebound. Nice pick. Pinasa kay number 6. Nice drive by number 6, 2 points. Easy points. Grabe galing mo si Kuya Diaz. Sarap daw ng tulog. Pinasa sa gitna. Pacifica, nice 2 points. Easy 2 points by number 14. Score 8-6 in favor of Oslo. Diaz, the Tiger. Ball. Nice clean by Luis. Good. You Diaz, pinasa sa gilid. Out of bounds. Line ball. Sub. Change. Alright. Player 1 in. Number 5. Pinasa 14. Na-rebound ni player 1. Nice. Recover. Wala pa rin. Number 5. Nakuha. Foul. That was foul. Behind the back. Number 18. Foul. Same ball. Hilan. Driving in. Hindi nakapasok. 14. Na-loose ball. Ang bilis ni Diaz. Parang train. Wala. Nasa bulang na na isa. Napataos na yung sumisigaw. Number 1. Driving in violation. Mabagaw. Two team fouls for Oslo and no team fouls for Stranda. Pinasa kay Diver. For 3, no good. Pinapek for number 27, Pinar. 14, pinalik. Number 5 again. Papasok sana, pero nice 2 points by number 5. Score is 8-8 in favor of nothing. Badrama, no good. Grabe. Mag-isa sa ilalim. Korean. Sa gilid. Nice try by Pasinigan. Nakuha. Grabe. Ang bilis ni Diaz. Lefty. All good. Pasinigan. Pasok ulit. No good. Rebound by Valderrama. Grabe Valderrama. Sa kanya lang na rebound. Sakuragi. Diaz for 3. Ang layo. Pasok. Grabe. 3 points. Nagulat. Pilar. Pinasa ka number 5. For 3 sana. Pumasok sa gitna. Nice pass. Pero hindi na. 1-2 points. Foul. Number 17. Foul. First personal foul. Third team foul. Pinasa kay number 6. Denver. Tyler. 10 seconds to shoot. 8, 7, 6, 5. Nice floater. Wala. Nakuha ulit. Reset ang time. 11. Valderrama to make. Nice 2 points sana. Pacifica, 2 points. Mga kaibigan. For 2. Pinasa sa gitna, nabantayan agad ni 17, pinasa sana. Pacifica for 2, wala, malakas. Diaz, ang bis tumakbo. For 3, again. No good. Na-rebound ni number 5. Good foul. That's foul. Number 18, blocking foul. Substitution rep. Substitution. 14 foul for Oslo. Number 5. Chef, pumasok. Masyadong mahina. Nice pass pa na yun. Kaso nakuha ng dalawa. Foul. Number 27. Ilan. Laban. Bawi. 27 foul, yes. Yes. Everyone understands? Talaga pag may iwan, lalo na pag pinapahasa. Oy! Okay, yes. Thirty-six. 3 seconds violation for number 4. Number 5. 27 for 3, no good. 8. Out of bounds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mga kapatid, the score is 16-12 in favor of Oslo. Driver, pinasa Imperial. Grabe ang depensa, traveling violation. Masyadong masikip ang Cueva. Hila. Trying to find the solution. Luis for 3. Yun, pumasok na rin. Sayang na, wala yung big deal. 11, pinasakit. Number 6. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. This game is brought to you by El Dorado, Melon Bar, Snap Bar. Hila, pumapasok sa ilalim, nabitawan ng bola, it's a foul. Number 1, foul. Black ball. Why are you laughing with the black ball? Valderrama. Hindi ka pang makuha. Number 6, attempting for 3. No good. Grabe ang rebound. Naharangan. Ang bilis ni Dolor. Kaya ko na nakita yun na. Number 77, pinasakat na Sigar for 3. 3 balls. Parang pinukul lang. Number 6, lamang na po ang Stranda against Oslo. Number 6. For 3. Down out, impossible referee. Ganda ng huli. Kaso nabitawan ng Valderrama. Pinasa kay Imperial. Nice. 2 points. Time out, impossible referees. Yep, they know it. The game is on. Ibuka daw. Huli sana. Kaso hindi. Number 14. Foul. That's foul. Valderrama. Number 11. Time out. First personal foul ni Valderrama. Uy, malaki daw. Bad yun. Nahiya tuloy ng mula. 2 attempts for Pacifica. Pacifica pala, Pacifica. Pacifica, tama ka. First attempt, good. Second attempt. Second attempt, good. Grabe, 2 points for Pacifica. 20-21. Lamang po ng isa Oslo. Number 6, Tremon. Edmond, blocked by Dolor for 3. Bang bang! Turo mo! Valderrama, turo mo! Hila, hawak ang bola. Tao-tao na po mga kaibigan. Grabe Russell. Nice D. Go. 7-7. Wala. Diaz. Foul. That's a foul. Substitution. Bumulog na po ako. Number 8, holding. Hands violation. Substitution rep if possible. Time out, right? No. Time out. No, time out. No. My bad. Substitution. Pinasa kay Escorial, papasok, driving, sayang, ang pasa sa dito. Driver, nakuha bola. Driver, na-lose ball. Napasa kay number 6, Gabriel Hassel na number 5. Valderrama again for 3. No good, driver. Pinasa kay Imperial. Number 6. Number 11. That's a foul. Clearly a foul. Number 14. Yeah. 2 shots for Valderrama. First attempt, no good. Pulls a substitution. Something possible. Yes, Paso. 29 in, 77 out. Time out. Shoelace. Good. Valderrama hustling, number 14. Nice attempt by Imperial. Number 31. Number 31 fouls. Stranda. Substitution rep if possible. After the second shot, yes. First attempt, no good. Second attempt. Good. Substitution. 4 in. 1 out. Number 5. Ang sikip po ng depensa ng Oslo. Huli. Mabilis ang mata ni Dolor. Grabe. Number 4, may hawak ng bola. Nice back pass. Number 29. Grabe, parang pinupush niya. Wala pa rin. Single timeout. Timeout down. Impossible timeout, yes. Stranda. Score. 27, bro. There are 27 scores. Isa lang, hindi siya nakaka-counted. Yes. My bad, my bad. 27. Mali yun. 26. Alright. Back to the ball again. Good. Now. Hoy, grabe! That's a line violation. Huli sana pero tapik. Natapakan. 27. Trying to find at 29. Pinasaan number 5. Screening. For 3. No good. 24. 14 pala, wala. No good pa rin. Valderrama has the ball. Valderrama, pinasa Imperial. Uy, hindi ka pa. Nice hustle by Valderrama, but no good. Rebound by 14. That's a foul. Number 11 foul. Valderrama. How many personal fouls has Valderrama? 2 personal fouls. Substitution. Yes. Bila mahanap ng palusot. Nakapasok. Binangga ang pader. That's it. 31, blocking foul. Oslo penalty situation na po kayo mga kaibigan, 5 team fouls. Escorial, second, no good. 22-26 in favor of Oslo. Oras. Diaz. That was a nice move by Diaz. Number 29 foul. And 1 attempt for the free throw. Alright. No good. Kanina pa rin. Binasa kay Diaz. Fake. Foul again by number 27. Number 27 foul. On the sides. On the back. Right. Inbound. Imperial, pinasa kay Dolor. Nahiya, pinasa kay Diaz. Diaz for 2. All good. Nice board. Down, sabi ng Oslo. Number 1. Sayang, out of bounds. Oslo ball. Sabi ni Pina. Okay. 40 seconds. Substitution rep if possible. Maynard in 40 now. Go Maynard. Okay. Pinasa kay Dolor. Mahal ng position na number 6. Imperial. Munti ka pa mag-miss. Ang ganda ng basa sa ilalim, pero wow, nice lead. Uy, atras, dalawa. 29 James, bumangka. No good. Number 6. Drive the ball. Pinasa kay Diver. Nice 2 points for Diver. Turo mo, Diver. Turo mo. Down. Score down. Foul. Holding foul. Substitution when ready, ref. 34? 4, number 4. Holding. Substitution ref, yes. Pasok. Ay, hindi na rin. Yeah, it's second quarter, buddy. They have 14 fouls and also has penalty. Should be a 2 attempt. It's too late, yes. It could ride on me. Again, Oslo, penalty na kayo ha? Yes. Penalty kayo. 14 fouls for Stranda as well. Warning for penalty. This game is brought to you by Piyaya ni Nunoy. Isa na Piyaya ni Nunoy. Ubus na. Chorizo na lang ang natira. Chorizo ni Nunoy. Pag kinain mo, makakalimutan mo ang pangalan. Meron pa ba daw? Alright. Inbound. Sumura. 27. Pina. Pumasok. Nice. Uy, sayang. Grabe nasang number 27. Hicks. Wala. Sayang. Muntingan ka. Diaz. Ang bilis si Diaz, no? Grabe. Gitna. Uy, nice pass. Binani ball. Pinasa kay Diver. Sa kanya pa rin. 10 seconds. Out of bounds. 8 seconds. Shot clock. Inbound. 7, 6. Pune. Kasha Noy. 3. Nice good. Nice good. Let's go. Continue. It's out of bounds. Oh, Stranda ball. Reset. Score yan. Hawak ang bola. Grabe ang defense ng Oslo. Nice one. Pass to number 1. No good. 1. Ay, sayang. 3 seconds violation. Ball, Imperial. Yaman. Substitution rep if possible. Come in. Who's out? 14 in. Number 1 out. Quinto, hawak ang bola. Running inside. Oy, what happened there? Nice pass by Pinacto, number 5. Ang bilis tumakbo ng Dulor. Grabe! Nice pass by number 5. Grabe! Ang pinagbago ng takbo ng Dulor. Unmatched. Number Perian for 2, no good. Last touch by Dulor. There, 24 in favor of Oslo. Tao-tao to, napaparos na. Out of bounds. Black balls. Number 6 to Dulor. Pinalik ni Dulor kay number 6. Pinasa kay number 18 for 3. No good. Attempt by number 5. Please back by number 5. Spin move. Basket. Number 5. Number 4. Foul. 2 points and 1 shot. Third personal foul by number 4. Hindi naman dyan. Foul is brought to you by Mark. Rebound by Diaz. Grabe ang talon. Grabe sa ilan. Wow, wow, wow. Nagising daw ang kaibigan ko dito. Number 5. Tawag ang bola. Grabe, tinututin na. Sige. Galaw. Nice pass by number 5. Binanay ka sa penalty. Sayang. Number 6. Mag-isa. Talsik. Number 9. Sayang. Error. This game is brought to you by Mark. Ng Trotman. Alice daw. That's a foul by number 6. Out 21. 31. Uy. Penalty, penalty. Penalty. Ay, offensive pala. It's offensive. Offensive now. Seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please remember to take your trash after the game. Yesterday there was a lot of trash on the benches, so I need to do overtime. So please, in favor, please take out the trashes today after the game. Not tomorrow. Thank you. Back. Okay. Both teams ready. Remember to change baskets now. That was a mistake yesterday. It will not happen again. This game is brought to you by Sea Games Norway. Hawak ang bola. Pumasok na ang famous one half. Ayon. No problem. Nice rebound by 27. Nice big move. Pasa kay number 5. Number 5. Trying to go inside. Nahuli ni Tulog. That's a foul. Number 5. Foul. Number 5. How many? One pa lang si number 1. Okay. 14, pinasa kay Chet, umikot, number 5, 5 seconds, 3, 2, nice 2 points. Good. Valderrama to Diaz. Pinasa kay Valderrama for 3, patay, no good, grabe 14, oops, nagkayakapan po ang dalawa. .31 blocking foul, white ball. Let daw si 31 sa Oslo. Foul 31. Pangalawa pa lang, number 5. Nice attempt. Pinasa kay Timer! Pitay mo na! Galing. Iba pala talaga nagagawa ng Puma shoes. Ibilis. Parang tayo. Grabe ang asa ng Oslo to Stranda. 14. Di makapasok. Pinasa kay Chep. Huli ni Diaz. Grabe ang dalawa. Ganda ng pasahan ng tatlo. Nice pass. Triumph kill. Rotation. High fly, butterfly. Score is 42-28 in favor of Oslo. Nice steal again by Dolor to Diver. 2 points by Diver. sa kumakain sa molda. Ang sarap ng kain mo ah. Nahiya tuloy. We forgot, yes? No. It's okay. To the ball game. Dayton in, Tiger out. Number 5. Pinasa kay Christian. Christian. Nice. 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 Sayang. Diaz. Oops, that's lifting violation. Yeah, clearly lifting. Sorry, Diaz. Kita sa camera. Uy. It's good, it's good. G. Ay, wala. Patay ang butiki. Ano na nangyari sa dalawa? Jump ball. Tas mo. Now, yeah. Alright. Diaz. Grabe ang... Nice speed move by Diaz. No good. It's too hard. Too fast. Grab the Dayton. Nice break. Number 5. Oops. Number 6. Ang bibilis na mga kalaban, mga kaibigan. Two fouls. No good. Diaz, pinadala ang bola. Valderrama, pass to Diaz. Diaz, kay Dolor. Nice break. Wow! Oh, tinuruan dito. Grabe mo. Yun. Grabe ka. 2 points by Dolor. 46-29 in favor of Oslo. 27. 3 seconds. Violation. Something possible there. Yes. Player 1 in. David, 1 half out. Good double. Diaz for 2. No good. Grabe siya pa rin ang rebound pero wala. Nauna na si Pacifica. Wala pa rin. Grabe. Marulit ko pa. Grabe. Ano laki mo Maynard? For 2. Grabe, nag-iinom ka po mga kaibigan. Nag-iinom ka mga nandito sa mga 31 in favor of Oslo. 18. Grabe ang hustle ng Stranda to Oslo. For 3. No good. Rebound by Dolor. Grabe si Dolor! Foul! Grabe si Dolor, no? Good luck. Number 1 foul. How many fouls is Maynard? Two personal foul for Maynard. Grabe, yun lang pala ang technique ni Dolor, tanggalin ng sweater. First attempt, no good. Something possible rep. Second attempt, no good. Rebound by Banderama, pinasa kay Dolor. Pinasa kay Diaz. Diaz has the ball. Diaz. For 3, no good. Rebound by Chep. Chep to Christian. Christian going inside. Nice and drive. Nice and run. Grabe. That's clearly Saban. Oi. That's 2 points. Easy 2 points. Dagger, go outside, go outside. Dagger. For 2, no good. Nice rebound by Christian. No good again. Oops. Kicking violation. Same ball. Substitution, yes. 77 in and number 5 in. Ingat number 5, ang paa. 18 out. Number 5 has the ball. Speed move. That's a juggling violation to nearly. Kitang-kita yung ngahe ng walang lisensya. Sit on the bench, Dagger. Kakalit sa iyo yung ano eh. Beto, for 3! Wow! Grabe! Ang padali talaga! Tira na dito! Oh no! That was a nice 3 points by Beto. 27, trying to find inside. Number 1, nice attempt, but no good. Rebound by number 6, ang bilis mo na Oslo. Pinasa ka number 5, out of bounds. White ball. Libo na! Dipinsa mamaya! Dipinsa! 27. Nice screen by number 1. Pero natapik ni number 6. Grabe hustle. Foul. Number 5. Number 5 is foul. Something possible. Go in, Luis. Who's out? Pilar. Yes. Now, back to the ball game. Chet. Number 5. Grabe. Fifty-one, 21 in favor of Oslo. 20 ang lamang. For 3 again. Volley move. No good. Nice rebound by number 5. Number 5. Number 5 again. Ay, grabe. That's a foul by number 5. Pushing number 5. Something possible there. Go in. 14 in. Who's out? 5 out. This motion is brought to you by Carinderiani Goods. Maninamnam at masarap. Malilimutan mo ang pangalan mo. Out of bounds. Black ball. James. Yes. Oi! Damon. That's a good dance, Damon. Touch by number 5, out of bounds. Oops! Ano nangyari? Dolor has the ball. Pinasa kay Banderama. Sorry, double Banderama. Kitang-kita sa camera ang uli-uli. Binabati po namin ang maingay ngayon sa Trondheim. Ay, sa Molda pala. Diyan na pala. 40. Nice defense. Bios shot. Ruiz. Block. Same ball. Kaway naman dyan mga Strata girls. Wala, seryoso. Wala na daw energy Strata girls. Uy! Wow. Grabe si Dolor. Big effort. Coach, baka naman daw kay Dolor. Mamaya, ka-Burger King. 14! Oh, no good! Grabe ang labot ni number 1. Ruiz! That's a foul by Banderama. Three fouls. Penalty, violation. We have 3 personal fouls, Banderama. Some with possible rep. Banderama out, Diaz in. Some with possible rep again. First attempt, good. Yeah, wait a second. Alam ng mga referees. Second, 2 shots. Check out 1/2 lead, David. That's the first time I saw in the basketball 1/2 number. Very unique. Oh, hindi ka pa mag-16. Nice. Palay mo! Wala! Grabe si Dolor! Grabe kasi si Dolor! Out of bounds! White ball. Grabe Dolor! Kung ako lang coach mo. Yun! Nice! Oy! Nice asset by number 6! To the 1/2! 1/2! David! That's a foul! Number 5. Yes, foul. Kita number 5. We saw it in the camera. One half, we shoot more. Oh no, Campos! Second attempt. Wala! Sayang. Diaz. Ang bilis ni Diaz magdala ng bola. Oy! That's 2 points. Riggs. Itawid mo agad ang bola kung hindi. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This game is brought to you by Team Becky, Sunmura Pinoy Basketball League, sponsored by C-Gems Norway. Thank you for the cooperation of Dennis Reyes. Magaling na. magaling pa maglinis. I would like to advertise ang karinderya ni Manong Butch. Masarap na. Makakalimutan mo ba ang pangalan? I would like to advertise also ang piyaya at longganisa ni Nunoy. Kung meron pa, order na. Makakalimutan mo ang pangalan mo para makain. Teams, both teams at the moment, we need players dito, mamaya na. We need players para sa committee. Mommies and old gents, don't forget to take home your trash. Kahapon ang daming ang basura. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, thank you. Maraming salamat po, Boss Dennis, sa servisyo po hatid sa inyo ng Kulafu. Special sponsor down at Tandalay 5 years. Yes. 14-27. Pinasa kay Huli! What is that? Foul! Number what? 27. Taas ang kamay pag foul ha, para madaling na ng That's your fourth personal foul. 27. But Revilla, for 3, no good. What is that, ref? Out of bounds, same ball. Grabe, driver for 2, no good. Rebound by Chet. Pinasa kay Escorial, driving the ball. Escorial, pinasa sa gitna, tinulang din sa number 1. Lumiti na lang, no good. Balik down. Number 5, pinasa kay Pilar. Ang tagal naman ito sa area ng bola. Grabe ang pasa ni Revilla. Pinasa kay number 1. Ay, sayang! Oh, foul! Nahina na ito, mga kaibigan. Who's foul, ref? 14. Foul. What happened? Nahihina si Torres. Wait a sec. matuba. Nice chase by number 17, but no good. Imperial. Pinasa kay number 17, hawak bola number 9. Imperial. Tumuturo. Pinasa kay Revilla. Pinasa kay Diver. Diver going in. Nice attempt, but no good. Tsaka niya pa rin. Wow. Number 17. Grabe ang hazing ng Stranda to Oslo. Revilla again. That's a lane violation. Wait a sec. Sumura. Storial. Grabe. Depensa. Wait a sec. That's a traveling violation. Napitawan ang bola, nakuha ulit. Tumagaw, traveling. Reset to 24. Score is 53-36 in favor of Oslo. Diver. Grabe ang hassle ng Stranda to Oslo. Torres. Ay, sayang. Nakuha ni Pilar. Nice 2 points by Pilar. Takbong mayaman. Time out with possible refs. For 3. That's a 3-point. Time out, please. No? They asked for time. No. No. They asked for time out, but they don't want. Ayan, touch move na kayo ha. Yes. Escorial. Number 14. Going inside. Escorial. Ang ganda ng steal by Imperial. Imperial. 2 points by Imperial. Small but terrible. Oh, that's a backing violation. Oslo ball. Revilla for 3. No good. Sa kanila pa rin, Diver. Torres. That's a traveling violation. Clearly a traveling violation. Score is 58-38 in favor of Oslo. 20-point lead by Oslo. Number 5. Nice pass to number 1. No good. That's about something's possible. 14, pushing. Black ball. Come in. 7-7 in, 29 out. Alright. Imperial, napagod. Mahanap ng diskarte. Revilla sa Imperial. Torres, huwag kalimutan. Nice. Ang ganda ng pasa kay number 1. Oh no. Sayang, number 5 has the ball. Number 5, looking for a lane. Pinasa kay Christian. 4-3. No good. Medan. Oh my God. Takbo mo, number 14. Nice 14. Sayang. Number 14 to number 14. 77. Pinasa kay number 5. Number 5. Boy, grabe. Ang hassle ni Imperial kay number 5. Pela, Tukil, Pacifical. Pacifical. That's a foul. Clearly a foul. Which foul left? 21. 2 possible shots for number 14. Second attempt. No good. Grabe ang rebounding. 7-7. No good. No good pa rin. Denver. To number 1. Maynard. Pinasa kay. No. Grabe ka naman dito. No, Maynard. What's that? Maynard. Maynard. What's that? Revilla for 3. Air ball. Wait a sec. Torres, ano na nangyari sa'yo? Napakan na daw. Villa pushing. Oops. That's white ball. Villa. Sabi pasulungan. Number 5, trying to go inside. Nice pass to the inside. But no good. Outside. 5. Shutdown violation. Shutdown violation, my friends. Substitution. They're asking for timeout as well, refs. Timeout Estranda. Kamusta mo mga kaibigan? Hope you guys are enjoying the Sunday morning. Gising na ba kayo? Hopefully gising na kayo. May mga kabata ba kayo? Volga? Trondheim? Oslo? Stockholm? Score is 58-38 in favor of Oslo. And this is the 4th quarter. Both teams has 2 team fouls. Rick, stuck in. Players, stuck in your shirts. Tuck in your shirts. Tuck in your shirts. Number 9, nice fit. No good. Sa kanya pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin. Lane violation. Number 1, number 5, tuck in po. Mga t-shirt, mga jersey na tuck in nyo. Number 5, rebound. Wow. 2 points counted. Number 10, foul. Beto. Rebound by Diver. Diver. Nabantayan ni number 5. Quinto to Quinto again. Nice pass sa ilalim. Imperial. Fake. Driving inside. Nice pass sa ilalim. Oh, sayang. Grabe ang rebound na yun. Kilig-kilig po ang mga nandito kaibigan. 31 to number 5. Magaling daw ang agaw sa Tingnan. Number 17 to Imperial. Pinasa kay Diver. Wow! Grabe, parang Mountain Dew na. What a jelly ace. 31. Hawak ang bola. Pass to Pacifica. Number 1, Jake Melan. Pinasa sa ilalim. Oh, not good. Pero yan, sayang. Ang ingay daw kasi ng mga babae dito. Number 14. Dalawa. Tatlo. Wala pa rin. Melan. Wala pa rin. Sayang. Nasaktan ang ulo ng katabi ko dito. Kumangot. Ang lupit na tira ng number 14. Parang. Number 5. Wow. Wala. Sayang. Number 17. Number 5. Mapagod naman kayo. Bilis na laro nyo. Number 9. Wow. Ginelis. Wala. Same ball. Black ball. Beto. 4-3. Volley shot. No good. Hindi ka na makapatapilok. Score is 60-14 favor of Oslo. Wait a sec. Same. No, black ball. 53 seconds. Oslo has 3 fouls, team fouls. Stranda has 2 team fouls. No timeouts for Stranda. Diver. Pumasok. Ganda ng tira. Wala. Pila. Naulahanin. Nice basket. Oh. Wala. Sayang. Di sumabay. Magaling ang ano ni Imperial. Yeah, reaction time is really good. Diver! 2 points! Grabe ito. Kangaroo style. 31, pinasa ka number 5. 16, 15, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, no good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next game, mga kapatid. That's the end of first game. Mga kapatid from Oslo, baka pwede nyo kami tulungan dito sa committee. Nice game, nice game. This game is brought to you by Lista.
David!
Requesting Imperial sa microphone. Magandang pagko-commentor mo kahapon. Bigyan ng buhay ang game.